HostPapa is a Canadian web hosting company with a reputation for affordable and beginner-friendly services. Let's dissect their strengths and weaknesses. Pros: affordable plans. HostPapa is known for its competitive pricing, especially for shared hosting packages catering to small and medium-sized websites. Strong customer support. HostPapa provides reliable customer service with multiple channels for assistance, including live chat, phone support, and a knowledge base. Green hosting. HostPapa emphasizes sustainability, using green energy sources to power its data centers. Free features. Their plans include features like a free domain name for the first year, free website migration, and unlimited bandwidth. User-friendly interface. The control panel, cPanel, is intuitive, making it a good choice for those new to website management. Cons: mixed performance. Uptime guarantees are industry standard, but customer reports suggest occasional inconsistencies in website speed and loading times. Renewal costs. While initial plans are attractively priced, renewal fees can be significantly higher. Upselling. Be aware of potential upselling of additional services you may or may not need. Limited high-end options. While sufficient for many, HostPapa's VPS and dedicated server offerings might not be as powerful as some competitors for resource-intensive websites. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.